Okay, looks like it's been slightly used. It is missing the fastener to hold this tray on. And looks like it has been slightly dented in the back. Not really dented, but just bent. Belt is pretty close there. It does make a little bit of a rattling noise when you're running it. Possible that there's a bearing going out. It may just be this cage is rattling a little bit, as it was bruised during shipping apparently. But other than that, it appears to be in pretty good shape. The motor seems to be fine, but no guarantees. It's sold as is.